I went ahead and took off the cover plate on it. Just hooks there and there. You can see when you press the button right now that it won't stay in. And so the first thing we're going to do before we start playing with it, we're going to turn off, I believe it's this switch here, we're going to turn it off. Turn off the rest of them too. That's the lights. Turn that one back on. So yeah, it's just this switch right here. Like I said, I already took off the cover plate. Let's take these off. Should be pretty simple to replace it. Let's take this screw out. These are some pretty long screws. Let's take this one out. And we'll see how it's connected up here. Pull that out. So this blue one here is the power. Loosen that off of there. The green one here on the bottom is the ground. Let's take that one off of there, and then they have just the neutral. They have it just kind of stuck in there. I don't think I can get that out by loosening it. I don't think that works. I think when you stick it in there, well, it looks like it does. So that's the neutral. So let's hook the other one back up the same way. So here is the new one that I got. It's a 20 amp GFI outlet. Same color, I believe this one's almond. Said somewhere, yeah, light almond colors. Pretty much the same thing as the other one. If you take a look at it here, it looks pretty much the same. A little bit different looking, but it's pretty much the same. So on this one, the power is the gold on this side, and the line, the white, is on this side. And so we are going to loosen these back up. Get my screwdriver. This is the gold one, which is the power. And hook that on there. Make sure that's on there nice and tight. Again, our white one is our neutral. So we can loosen that up and put that one in there. Like it was before. There's our neutral in there. Let's tighten that up. It's all nice and tight. And then finally we need to put our ground on here, which is on the bottom of it here. Let's loosen that up. Slide our ground wire in here. Let's tighten that back up. There we go, all three of the wires back in. That just goes right back in our receptacle here. That one's on there. That one's on there. So there's both of the, it's all wired back up. GFI. Let's open the panel back up here. Let's turn the power back on to it. So now the power is on. Let's see if we can press this in. Now it's staying on. It's got a green light down here on the bottom of it, right there. Awesome. So that's all there was to it. Old one wasn't working out too well anymore. Not sure why it went bad. I guess they just go bad all the time. Happens, so we put this new one in there. Let me get the faceplate put back on it, and we're done after that. All right, there we go. New GFI is in place. Now I can plug in the rest of the equipment around here to get them set up for wintertime. So I can get the lawnmower hooked up, and I can plug in the side-by-side after I'm done hunting this year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you guys next time.